I just got a new car vacuum. I'm excited. I've been needing something like this. This was gifted to me, and it was actually perfect timing because I really was looking at some similar models, and I'm excited to give it a try. First off, that's amazing. It comes with a little carrying case. That is super handy. That way you can have it with all of its cords and everything tucked away versus floating around your car. Wow. Comes with a filter. We got a filter, we got an adapter for the car. That's fabulous. Nicely packaged. I love the color. Oh, it comes with an extra filter. So you have one that it comes with, and then there's one extra. We got a little cleaner for it. Cool. And it even has attachments for harder to reach areas. This part into here. And then you can get in further areas that this part won't go into. So like down in the cracks, right? It's fabulous. Love that. Can't wait to go and use this in my car. Check out the suction. You plug it in here. I also love the fact that it comes with its own little carrying case, and these attachments, I had no idea how much they actually are perfect for this little thing. Highly recommend, especially for like a Christmas gift for someone who loves their car. This comes in a nice carrying case. It sucks up so well. Comes with 2 filters, and emptying it is a breeze. You just take off the top and it all dumps out. Super well designed and extra powerful suction, I would say, especially for like, you get more than you imagine with this little guy. And that's my honest review.